Hello guys, we are going to be showing you how to assemble the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo Rewind Pet. So first part, we gotta put this on. Hold on. Then put these two long screws into here. Then you're gonna need a screwdriver. Don't strip the screws. And then get your other screw. Put it in here. Hold on. Not really good doing that. Okay. Make sure to screw it in until it goes to the bottom. Like that. Hi, Peanut. And then you're going to want to do this. Put on the hose. Put this up here. There we go. And then put this in there until it's at that notch. There we go. Now we just need to put on the attachments. Put this crevice rod in this extremely small crevice tool. And then get the dusting brush and put it in like this. And now you have got the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo Rewind Pet. Hold on. We're gonna do a quick test. Okay, we are going to test vacuum it. Ow. It's not on. Okay, it's not on. Get out of here. Get over here. Get out of here. Oh, come on.
The switch has got to be turned on by the door.
What do you mean?
The plug's not working. Never mind.
Make sure to get most of the cord out. So, okay. chord rewind test. Maybe. You just got to make it where the chord is, and then boom, got the chord rewind right. That is the tutorial. This is the test and run of the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo Rewind Pet.